How did Webflow's original homegrown permissioning model come to be, and when did it start to feel like it needed to be re-architected?
That's a good question. So it lasted on its laurels for an impressive amount of time. It started really as a very simple kind of roles-based permissioning model, really simple key value store. And then as the business grew and the customer needs grew, this began to be adopted for more use cases. We have a concept of workspaces and sites. So you might have multiple sites in a workspace. So we introduce site level and workspace level roles, and then later site specific access. So customers could inherit permissions or have control over specific permissions per site. And then we had something called permission overrides and then custom roles later. All that is, you can imagine, created more and more complexity that made it harder and harder for engineers to do what they needed to do without introducing more risk. And so at the beginning of this project, one thing I did was kind of talk to not just the product and user experience, but hey, security folks, what are you hearing? Hey, other feature teams that are using this current authorization system, what's working and not working for you? And I heard stories of people spending upwards of 2 weeks, whole teams on stuff, and it getting rejected because it was just too complex and actually introduced too many security holes. So to me, that's a signal that it's probably too complex. And we want to remove that bottleneck so that teams can go build their features and ship cool stuff for the business.